Okay, thanks for joining. This is video 2 following the introduction to the campaign generation software for GEO campaigns. Here we're going to talk a little bit about how to configure Adwords Editor after you do your import. So if you remember, we left off, you imported from File, it pulled in your campaigns, you ended up having 50 different campaigns, one for each state, and we can take advantage of the location targeting, other things like that. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to select all of your campaigns, and then you're going to want to put in some basic configurations. So you're going to want to set a budget, you're going to want to set a mobile bid or not. If you're going after mobile traffic, of course you want to bid high here, and that way you don't get that much software from regular computers. Or you can go the other way, you can do minus, let's say 100%. So you don't want mobile traffic. I usually set this to optimize for clicks. Depending on the campaign, I might have it rotate evenly for a certain amount of time and then optimize on its own. Generally, I set this to accelerated delivery, means you can get the traffic as fast as possible instead of stretching your budget out throughout the day. So now you're going to want to configure your ad groups. So you go over here to add groups, and you do the same thing. Control A, select all, set your default bid. Here you don't have to have a mobile bid if you don't want. If your campaign allows you to do CPA targeting, you would set that here. Basically, you just set all your settings. Then you're going to want to go inside one of your campaigns, inside one of your ad groups, and you're going to go down here to text ads. And you always want to have at least one ad that has this code in it. So keyword, and see that the W is capitalized, means camel case. It means replace the title of your ad with whatever the user searched for, but make sure it's camel cased. And you can see in the instruction manual that it comes with this video some examples of how to write that. But here we wrote keyword budget auto insurance, save up to 500 on auto insurance. We do it again, keyword, whatever your description is. Then you're going to want to set a final URL. You can't use destination URL really anymore. It's kind of going away. So after you create 3 or 4 variations of your ad, then you're going to want to copy them all. So you highlight, you can use Control C, and then you're actually going to want to go back over here to all campaigns. You click at the top here, and then click Ad Groups. So now this is showing all 483 ad groups, and then you hit Control A, right click, paste into. That's how, when I do this, it'll paste those 4 ads into every single ad group we have, and that way you don't have to write a bunch of separate ads. It saves a lot of time. Once that's done, then you're good to go. So I'm going to go in here, I'm going to just show you what the keywords look like. So you can see affordable car insurance, Houston, Kansas, yada yada. It goes through every combination that you specified in the GEO software. So each keyword group has a lot of keywords in it, and then of course you have some really good ads that are split testing automatically to figure out which ones are going to work best. And then you basically, what you've done here is you've just saved yourself 2 weeks of manual labor creating a mass enterprise level national campaign that takes advantage of hyperlocal. Once you have everything done, go ahead and click post. It'll post it up into your AdWords account. You don't want to worry about specifying phrase and broad match yet. Leave all your keywords in exact match format. Upload it first, and then once it's in the cloud, then go ahead and do copy and paste into the new match types. You don't want to do it here because then you have to wait for it to upload to the cloud. You got millions of keywords. It's going to take too long. So just wait for that till later. When you do post, you might get errors, right? You might have keywords that aren't allowed, right? They might have the word gun or certain type of medication names. You'll see they'll show here, it'll reject your upload, and it'll show red. Just every time that happens, just delete those keywords. Don't even waste time trying to get them approved, just delete them out of your campaign, hit upload again, and keep doing that until you get a green and they're all uploaded and done. Of course, you want to have all of them paused, so you just control all for all of them. Change your status to paused, and that way you're not actually spending a bunch of money right away when it hits the cloud. So upload your campaigns. When they're done, go to the cloud interface. Use that to add your additional match types. Don't do it in here. And that's it right now for the second video. The third video is going to show you some really cool stuff. So stay tuned, and happy making money in AdWords. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.